Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel A2 hosting cloud services step by step clearly. To cancel A2 hosting cloud services, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the A2 hosting website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Account tab in the top menu. Click on Account Management to access your account details. Find the section labeled Services or My Products. In this section, look for your cloud services. Select the service you wish to cancel. Click on the Manage or Settings option associated with that service. Scroll down to find the cancellation option. Read through any important information or terms regarding cancellation. If you agree, proceed by clicking on the cancellation button. You may be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. Fill out the required information if prompted. Confirm your cancellation request by clicking the Final Confirmation button. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding your cancellation. Ensure that you save any important data before completion. Your A2 hosting cloud services will now be scheduled for cancellation. Keep track of any final billing notices that may follow. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to A2 hosting customer support for assistance. Your cancellation process is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.